Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Unfortunately, there isn't too much to update. In addition to my last video, I think overall we are still here in the range between, I would say, $1,200 roughly and $1,400. This is the larger support area, and you can see how relevant these Fibonacci levels are. This, especially here, the 1280 level is very, very important. You can see how we touched it several times. And this is the area where we generally, so between 1130 and 1280, where we generally expect a larger reversal to the upside in a third wave to the upside, after Ethereum put in already in what I believe is a wave 1, an impulse, a wave 2, a correction, and the wave 3 is normally the most bullish wave as per the Elliott Wave method. That should take us to around $3,000. If support is holding, we could in an extreme case come down to $1,000, and the larger scenario of another wave 3 coming would still be valid. But of course, as you can also see here, it is quite a large green area, so we could even make one more lower low in the green area without threatening the larger bullish perspective here of the chart, and that is what is uncertain at the moment. There is certainly a chance that we break out directly from here, but the time it takes, again, on the weekend we had some potential here, but the time it takes just makes this less likely. But we're going to take a look at that now. So let me go to the 1 hour chart, and so we have our next opportunity to break out now. So first of all, again, we are in the range, and what I said in the previous videos, as long as we are not above the $1,400 level, we could still get another low in place. I put that in place yesterday here. There's a really good chance that the move up is not a bullish breakout, but it is again just a corrective wave up. We really only have 3 waves up at the moment, not 5. I would want to see 5 at least. We really only have 3 waves up at the moment, and this could very well break down. And if we lose this trend line here, and then I said yesterday the 1316 level, then I think we're going to get once more into this zone between 1225 and 1267, where we have another chance to add another long position. We had that twice already. Both long trades would have worked out. We might get another opportunity, but only if we lose that trend line. At the moment, we can still give the direct bullish breakout scenario a chance. The way I count this from an Elliott Wave point of view is here a wave 1. Here a wave 2, which bottomed at around $1,300, and then here another wave 1 and another wave 2, just because we came down a bit too low for a wave 4. And then next I would expect a wave 3 to the upside. Why do I say we now have another chance for a rally? Well, because we did pull back to the ascending trend line. That's something that I talked about in, I think, not the last video, but the video before the last one, when we hadn't pulled back to the trend line yet. I think we were here. And I said there's actually a good chance we pull back to the trend line. That might be another opportunity, another long opportunity. And then we came back here at 1325. Now we're at 1350. So it would have been another opportunity, but we haven't really broken out since then. We've only climbed higher. So again, it shows you the uncertainty in the market. But the other the possibility why we have now another chance to move up is that we can count here an ABC in wave 2 actually complete. So that means this could very well now start already another 1-2 setup, but we would need to move now. What we want to see is a breakout above 1359. We attempted that yesterday here, a break above the wave B high, and failed. But we want to see a break above 1359 and then 1370, and that would be a good confirmation that we are pushing really higher. At the moment we're moving a little bit here in a sort of triangle shape. As you can see, a consolidation. I think again, uncertainty in the market, and for me it all depends on, is this trend line holding or not. If it's holding or not, I can't obviously tell you, but what you need to know is that if we break out from here, then I would look at a wave 3 target here. The first wave 3 that belongs to this 1-2 setup. I'd be looking at a target of around 1440. And if we are breaking this trend line, then I can still give it another chance to hold, as long as we're holding the 1316 level. If we lose that level, it will be very likely that we come down into this area once more between 1225 and 1267, and we'll then have another chance to move up. That would be the red count, where I say, okay, from the wave 1, which was made here, we just came down in an A wave here. All of this was just a large wave B, an unusually complex wave B, and we come down in a C wave and have another chance to rally from here. So that's sort of how I see it at the moment. No change basically to the previous video, just a bit more explanation. Hopefully there will be more to update later. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.